I am out at Nisqually Flats fishing for flounder, so especially starry flounder. So a couple other channels have done this. I know Spilled Milk did it, Seawolf did a starry flounder one here. Some of my other favorites are Peeling Lines, and then actually Washington Fish Quest did one. Today's basically just really windy, so it's just a windy day, and I was looking for anywhere in the sound where I could fish. So the Seattle area right now is like 17-mile-an-hour winds, and I've heard that there's thunderstorms, which is why I actually decided to head down here to basically see if I could find some calmer water. Today the wind is very strong and it's coming from the south, but I got land right there which is actually blocking the wind, and that's why I feel pretty safe doing this. But yeah, so my goal today is to catch you know, a starry flounder. I'll show you what I'm using really quickly here. So this is just like a modified version of a rig that I actually learned in Florida. So the idea here is that you have no seaweed in your land to start with, but you have like a brightly colored presentation, and then below that is kind of a more muted presentation that they're more likely to bite. So the idea is that they can see this from a distance, so like this one from a distance, and then if they're not interested in the really bright color, they can go for the more natural color. Below that I have a 2-ounce ball, and all I'm really doing is figuring out what drift angle I can use to basically be going downhill. So you really want to be going down for these guys. Generally with flounder, they have their fins in the sand. They're looking kind of up a hill, and basically what they're doing is just waiting for a prey item to kind of like come down the hill towards them. All right. Man, that is a big flounder. Holy cow. I think it has eggs, otherwise they keep it. That's a flounder. This way. Oh yeah, starry flounder. Look at that. How cool is that? All right, starry flounder. This is my life first starry flounder. Very rough scales. Yeah, I guess they're actually like named after those scales. Super interesting fish with these kind of like black rays in their fins. First time ever seeing one in person. With the exception of a halibut, I have a tradition of throwing back the first fish of every species I catch. The halibut was sort of too precious though, so here we go. Cool. I am hoping to keep a couple, but that's a good sign. I was kind of trying to follow the tips in some of the other videos, fishing a little bit shallow. So I was in 20-30 feet of water. I just really wasn't catching anything, just like seaweed basically, so I moved out to like 50 feet, and that's when I finally caught that one. But that's a good sign. Yeah, hopefully I can catch a little bigger one, but so far the strategy is working, I think. Well, there's plenty of flounder. Oh, there we go. A decent starry, wow. there we go. That's more like it. That's pretty cool. Okay. Cool. I'm actually going to keep this one. It's getting it's not late, but it's getting a little bit late. So I think I'm going to start keeping fish. There we go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Man, this is a heavier fish. I'm interested in meeting it. Holy cow, look at that. That is a flounder. Man. So I think I'm gonna call it there. Probably drop down like one more time, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for today. Getting kind of late. I want to make sure to get back at a reasonable time. But man, I managed to catch a starry flounder. That's pretty cool. First time out, caught a starry flounder. And yeah, thanks for watching. So I'm still trying to get to 500 subscribers. When I do that, I'm going to split half the proceeds with an ocean conservation organization called Oceana. So please do like and subscribe below. Thanks again.